Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today again, charcuterie is my hobby, and charcuterie in the normal frigidaire is the best. We use just natural ingredient. Today we're going to make soppressata. It's a salami and like squeezed salami and come from South Italy. We need, ask your butcher. This is mince pork, coarse, you know, like this. It is 600 grams of loin, is 350 grams of belly, and I'm gonna add 50 grams of pure fat. Okay, we need the skin, put in the water. I put skin in the water, the large one, and with some vinegar, and a teaspoon of vinegar. We need 20 grams of sweet paprika, 30 grams of sea salt, and careful, sea salt, 3 grams of black pepper, 2 grams of black pepper in grain. I have here 100 grams of red pepper sauce. This red pepper sauce is easy. I'm gonna make video to show you, but this one, to be honest, I didn't have time to make the sauce. I bought in the supermarket the red pepper sauce. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, later we need some strings, a toothpaste, knife, and one of these to make the salami. Okay, now what we're gonna do, first we make some space. I need a big bowl. Okay, the meat in. This part, guys, is easy. Just ask your butcher. This is from the loin, from the back. You know, cut like this, and dice it. Something you're not gonna be precise. Something like this, okay? Around 30-40 grams, not more. You know. I think another strip like this, and I'm done. Because the belly is already fatty, okay? Wash your fingers, okay? And this is done, okay? We put this fat inside like this, and we start mix salt, paprika, because it's gonna be red. This, huh? We have black pepper and the black pepper in green, okay? Now we start mix nice with the bit. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel. I check in our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We have a lot of stuff there as well. Okay, oh, the pepper already. This one you can add later. We add this pepper sauce. Okay, okay, it's delicious. Okay, now mix everything very good around half an hour. Take your time. Always when we do charcuterie, no rush. It's just hobby. We're gonna make something very, very nice. Okay, see you in half an hour when the mix is ready. Okay? Okay, guys, I think it's over half an hour. I'm tired. But the thing is, when the meat, put your hand inside. When the meat stick like that, is what we want. Okay? Now I wash my hands and we start make salami. Okay? See you soon. Okay, guys. Now the step is this. Take this, or you can make funnel. Use your imagination. But this one is very old-fashioned, easy to do, and super cheap. Now we take the skin. I plan to make 2. This is as well is natural skin. That is this one is beef skin. It's a large one. Okay. Put inside. From this side, you can use this already. Block it straight away. Very simple and tight. And okay. This is done. And now we start. Always take the meat, put inside, and push with your finger. And just leave the meat to go. Okay? If you see the hair come inside, just use this and make some more and the thing going. Okay? Now guys, take your time. When the salami is done, I show you. But I show you on the way as well, okay? I don't want to be long. Nice, big salami. Squeeze here, everything go down. Like this. Not a lot because you can break the skin. This one is one salami. And now I make the second one because I told you I want to make two. And another thing I want to say, the soppressata is usually, but not always, is spicy. I don't use spicy because my son, he don't like spicy. But this one is very good spicy if you like. But you have to follow just this recipe and add some cayenne or chili flake, you know, up to you. Not more than this is 1 kilo meat. Put at least 8 to 10 grams per kilo. Okay, just this. See you when I'm finished the second salami. Okay, guys, the two salami they like that. Now we're gonna put the string from the other side, and later this salami gonna have the fermentation. The fermentation is important. Fermentation gonna be around in some, we say room temperature, but gonna be around 23, 24 degrees. I'm gonna leave this around 2 days, 48 hours. Because this one now, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna squeeze it. Gonna be pressed, you know. I'm gonna show you. It's very cute. Now we do the same stuff from this side. Just squeeze it like that. One like this. You can make this little hole because later we're gonna hang it from here. Make it the same from this side, like this. You know, the salami is this beautiful. Now you see, just please, because all this air inside. Take your time and squeeze it. Yeah, make it whole. Pop it, you know, everywhere from the top. If you see in this top, you know. Take your time. Do this. Do both salami, and then I show you how we're gonna squeeze it. Okay, guys, you know, already get out some stuff. Now, you know, they're beautiful, huh? I'm very, very, very happy. Now, I'm gonna show you this technique, but to do this at home easy. I recommend you this, but you can make in a lot different way, okay? Now, we take one tray like this, we put one cup like that. We're gonna have 1 and 2. We put like this. This we're gonna find you know, the way where you're gonna put it. Okay, dokie. Now I find 4 pieces of wood like this, and I put on the side like this. Easy, guys. Everything we can have at home. One chopping board like this. Put the flat way on the top. This just in case I squeeze a lot. And now we're gonna put some weight here. You can put any weight you have. If you have some gym at home, you have some weight, you can put around 7, 8, 10 kilos. Don't worry, because we have this. In the end, they're gonna block in case something. Or like I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one pot of water, you know, on the top. Just make sure it's that. And guys, I'm gonna add some more water here in case I can put couple, or if you need more weight, you can put couple bottle of water full to have more weight. Don't worry, because sometimes you need even 15 kilos on the top here, okay? But leave it like that couple days, and after this fermentation, squeezy fermentation, we're gonna put it in the fridge. Our challenge is always in normal fridge, gonna be around from I can say from 4 to 8 weeks, 6 weeks, depends how works the fridge, and we're gonna eat this beautiful soppressata. Okay? Anyway, see you in couple days. Okay guys, I just want to show you is after 48 hours, I was the water, but wasn't enough. And I had this is 14 kilos, plus I overnight I put as well another 2 bottles of water full. I introduce always Master Chef Enrico.
Hi!
And now guys, the result is this, you know? Result. What we want. This called Soppressata. That was just a little lapse. This the Soppressata is now this one going in the fridge for around 5 to 6 weeks. I'm gonna be more precise later. Always thinking where you're gonna put. I make the space. It is gonna be here. You see? With my pancetta, roll pancetta, che soon gonna be ready as well. Anyway, this is what you have to do. Our challenge is always in the normal fridge, and see you in 5, 6, 7 weeks. I'm gonna be more precise when it's ready. Okay? See you. Bye bye. After 6 weeks, 1.5 months, the soppressata, my soppressata, I think is ready. And now we're going to try it. I hope it's gonna be nice. We have 2 soppressata here, is it? But we try one. I have here the pancetta is not ready. Gonna be a little bit longer. But anyway, now we're going to try the soppressata. The smell and the consistency is already nice, you know. Well, we press very well, have a nice shape. It's very nice, to be honest. The best way to try it, we try with just a little bit of fresh bread, and we go. I'm very curious. This is off, guys. This is completely dry in the fridge, normal fridge. This is the thing, eh? Look at that! Wow, I'm so proud. These guys, wow. It's over 30 years I do the charcuterie or salami. But in the fridge I start, I don't know, 10 years ago, and they are so nice. Now we're going to try, guys. Oh yeah. Look very, very nice, eh? I want to try it first like that. Absolutely delicious, guys. Wow. I'm so sorry. This one is not super spicy. It's because Enrico, my son, he don't like spicy. But guys, it's absolutely delicious. Super. Again, well done, Piero. I'm very proud of this. This is another masterpiece. Guys, the soppressata homemade is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. We're gonna have a lot of them. Ciao.